Hi everyone, pipspredator is my premier trading program. It has software in it because I believe that private investors out there should use the same software, tools, indicators, algorithms that a hedge fund manager uses, that a hedge fund manager has developed over the course of his career. I think you should have the best. I also don't believe in subscriptions. I don't believe in daily subscriptions, weekly subscriptions, monthly subscriptions. I think people who offer those are just trying to take profits out of your pocket. That's why when I created pipspredator.com, I not only had the software, which indicates where I think the best opportunities lie to buy and when to exit. That's the difficult one. When to exit in all markets, global markets, foreign exchange, all the way to stocks, indices, crypto, because we're using the same technology and price pattern recognition that is used right across the board wherever humans are trading. But beyond that, people said to me, we want one-to-one tuition with you, Alpesh. We want you to look over our shoulders. So I asked my students, my apprentices as I call them, to send me their trade so I can look over and see that they're following the education. And then I have one-to-one calls with them. I do live webinars each week, so it reinforces the education. Beyond that, I have instant messenger Telegram channel. It's a bit like WhatsApp, but it means that you can see what we're looking at, what trades we're looking at, and that improves your education. Even better than that, we've got a 12-week course. You can take the rest of your life to do it if you wish, because it's yours for life, but it should take 12 weeks if you work at an average pace, which takes you through all the material, and that's updated every single week. And a 30-day course if you really want to go from zero, beginner, never traded before, right up to speed, okay? And that's updated as well regularly. So you've got all these different channels for education and learning, because some people, they just want the one-to-ones. Others, they say, Alpesh, I want to really dive in to the course material. So that way I made sure there was something for everyone, but most importantly is that connection with me, the software that I use, and on top of that, the regular updates for life and no subscription charges either for the data, the live feeds, or the updates and the upgrades all thrown in. That's why I think we're revolutionizing how people will trade in the future. Nobody else offers this. Nobody has the credentials to offer this. That's why we think we are totally, through our fintech software, completely revolutionizing the way people will trade. There'll be those who use pipspredator and those, well, who are left out. Okay. I hope to see you on board. Thank you.